welcome to DFC Nutrition Online. We are making chicken and avocado salad. This is the meal preparation for this meal. So if you come in closely, we have half a tomato sliced, quarter cucumber sliced, quarter of cos lettuce, handful of spinach, quarter of an onion, quarter of capsicum, quarter of a lemon, and quarter of an avocado, one chicken breast, and we are about to cook the breast. Grill on a high heat until the white line has reached halfway through the chicken. Once the chicken reaches halfway, flip it over. You see a nice golden chicken breast. Grab the lettuce, place it in the plate, and this baby spinach. Some cucumber. Some tomato. And capsicum. Red onion. It's beautifully, perfectly cooked. And place the chicken on top of the salad. Sliced avocado. Beautiful. Fresh lemon juice. So there is the beautiful chicken avocado salad. A beautiful, nutritious, healthy meal in 15 minutes. I'm going to try it. That is delicious. I can taste the lemon, the avocado, and that chicken breast is just beautifully, perfectly cooked. I hope you enjoy this meal as much as I will be. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.